Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 9X Pro, and today we are going to make the fingerprint test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's make around five tries. Let's lock the device at the first and then just use our fingerprint sensor. Okay, so as you can see, it works every time, so for sure it is reliable. But about the speed, in some cases it works maybe a little bit slightly faster than Ulefone Armor 3W, but it doesn't really work fast, to be honest. It's like the medium speed of the unlock, as you can see right now, for example. So it's reliable, but it's not the fastest fingerprint sensor in the smartphone, but it works not that bad. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!